So.
Right.
So you have to find the equations or whatever, and so the ones I have are x plus y equals 17, because x is dimes and y are quarters. And so, and he said he has 17 coins in his pocket. So there's one, and the other one is 10x, because dimes, he says he has a total of $3.35 in his pocket, and dimes are 10 cents and quarters are 25. And so I just times it all by 100 to make it whole numbers. And then then you have to make it in the slope intercept form. And I solved for y, so you subtract x from both sides, and you get y equals 17 minus x. And subtract 10x from both sides, so 25y equals 335 minus 10x divided by 25. You get y equals 335 minus 10x over 25.
While we are at this spot, how many of you actually divided the 335 by the 25 and got a decimal? And then used 10 over 25 as a fraction? Okay.
Okay, and then you have to, so by the transitive property, you can set them equal. And so you can have 17 minus x equal 335 minus 10x over 25. Cross multiply, so you get 425 minus 25x equal 335 minus 10x. Add 25x to both sides, so you get 425 equals 335 plus 15x. Then you subtract 335 from both sides, so you get 90 equals 15x. Divide both sides by 15, and you get x equals 6. So 6 dimes. And then so 17 minus 6 equals 11 quarters. 6 dimes and 11 quarters.
Questions? Alright, 2A.
First off, I don't know if I did this right because I didn't cross multiply, so I think that's wrong, but this is what I did. So the first one is y equals 2x minus 3. So you already have that in y equals equation, so you don't have to change that. Yeah. So then your other one was 3/4 x minus 1 3/4 equals y. How did I get that? Oh, hold on. Okay, no. Your equation for it was 3x equals 7 plus 4y. So I tried to get the 7 on the 3x side, so I subtracted 7 from both sides, so 3x minus 7 equals 4y. And then I took that divided by 4, which would get you 3/4 x minus 1 3/4 equals y. And then,
so when she is there, where could she have stopped? That way she wouldn't have the fractions.
Where she divided it by 4.
Okay, so she could have wrote it as 3x minus 7 over 4. Very good.
okay. And then, And then the other one was 3/4 x minus 1 3/4 equals 2x minus 3. So I did plus 3 on each side, which would equal 3/4 x plus 1 and 1/4 equals 2x. And then I minus 3/4 from each side to get 1 and 1/4 equals 1 and 1/4 x. And then if you divide those both by 1 and 1/4, you get x equals 1. So that's what I did. I'm just going to say that she has the wrong equation for the 3x equals 7. It's 3x minus 4y equals 7.
Can you get from here to here? Are those equivalent equations?
Yes.
Okay. So, she says x equals 1. What are we missing since it's a point of intersection?
Why?
Oh. So will you come and find y for us, sir?
Okay, so you have 2 times the 1, which is 2, minus 3, you have negative 1.
Questions? Beautiful. All right. If we write it as an ordered pair, we would write 1 comma negative 1, correct? 2b. Letter 2b. Remember, if you did it, you start at 10. If you do not talk, you get to a 5. So right now, everybody's at a 10 because we all did it. Yay, go us. But some of us are well on our way to a 5 because only 4 people have contributed to this discussion.
Okay, so I set my equations equal, and I put them at negative 6 minus 2f equals 2 minus f over 3. And then I multiplied 3 on both sides and got negative 18 minus, let's skip steps. I got negative 6 minus 2f times 3 equals 2 minus f, and then I'm
going to stop you there. The way you have it written, you have 2f times 3. Is that the only part you want to take times the 3?
oh, no.
So what do you need to put on the left side? Around your negative 6 minus 2f.
Parentheses.
There you go.
Okay. So then it'd be negative 18 minus 6f equals 2 minus f, and then it'd be, you'd add 6f be negative 18 equals 2 plus 5
5f, and then you'd subtract 2 both sides, and it'd be negative 20 equals 5f, and then divide by 5, so negative 4 equals f, and then to find c, I just did another equation to find c. So I did negative 6 minus c divided by 2 equals 2 minus 3c. Oh well. That's not right. So I multiplied both sides by 2 and got negative 6 minus c equals 6 minus 9c, and then I added 9c to both sides, got negative 6 plus 8c equals 6. So then I added 6, got 8c equals 12 divided by 8, and c equals 12 over 8 is 3 over 2, or 1 1/2.
Comments?
Up there at the top right, when she multiplied the 3 by 2, shouldn't that be a 6 instead of a 9?
So 2 times 2 is 2 times 3 is that going to change all this?
Yeah.
Okay, how many of you did all of this to get your other answer? Okay, what could you have done to get that other answer? Sure. Come on, little fella. All right. What did you do to get another answer?
I just solved it so that C was what we were trying to find out, and then I just put it into my formula.
Oh, so you could plug into one of these equations?
Yeah.
So negative 6 minus 2 times negative 4. And what do you get for C? 2? Okay. Questions on that? All right.